We all want to make healthy choices for our family, but do we know at what cost and what's actually on our plate? My name is Silvia, and these are the hidden dangers of GMO and what you should know about GMOs. GMO are genetically modified organisms. They can be modified in animals, microbes, or plants. They have their DNA altered through genetic engineering technologies. GMOs weren't made to be bad. They are designed to be healthier and cheaper to produce, so it's more accessible to the mass. But the issue with these is some GMOs are showing bad effects to not only us, but our environment as well. These modified organisms are made through genetic engineering in labs, also known as biotechnology, gene technology, and recombinant DNA technology. Over 90% of crops in the US, such as corn, soy, and cotton, are grown and are genetically modified. GMOs are highly reliant on chemical herbicides, which contaminate our water and soil, populating our environment. GMOs often come with a hidden risk. Studies have concerns about long-term impact on the human health, including allergies and resistance to antibiotics. These harmful chemicals will eventually land in large bodies of water, where they will begin to interfere with aquatic life. So you might be asking yourself as you walk through the grocery aisle how GMOs were even allowed to be in grocery stores. Well, there's about 20 years of research and hundreds of studies that have shown that GMOs aren't actually bad and can be just as safe and nutritious as their non-GMO counterparts, which has led health organizations and companies allow the use of GMOs. The debate over GMOs can be complex, but understanding the science, benefits, and challenges can help us make informed choices when we shop in our stores. Depending from what perspective you look at, GMOs can be seen as good or bad. Having proper understandings and further research and testing is the best way to continuously be educated and be aware of making healthy, conscious choices for the mass majority. Many farmers have begun to see the benefits of using GMOs. The main benefits they have noticed has been the reduce of pesticides use, improved crop yields, and enhanced nutritional value. Small farmers have noticed that it's game-changing for small farms and noticed that they can begin producing to the masses. Farmers have noticed since using GMOs, they've had the lowest amount of losses yearly. The use of GMOs has allowed scientists to look over DNA and to give it specific advantages, making them more efficient and sustainable. An example on how GMOs have improved harvesting is through the process of drought-tolerant plants being able to thrive with less water, ensuring the security in these regions for food, such as the crop of growing rice. GMOs are starting to evolve as many more studies are being done. Scientists are looking at research through the possibilities of crops that could potentially adapt to climate change, crops that could fix nitrogen directly from the atmosphere, no needing for fertilization, and plant vaccines to help plants grow without and cutting out the potential of diseases killing them. Hearing both perspectives, the good and the bad of GMOs, can help you understand what is important in bringing food to your groceries and what you should prioritize when turning around and looking at labels when at the grocery store. Hearing both perspectives, the good and the bad of GMOs. Tips for informational choices when looking at your labels is to look at ingredients in the labels and see what's actually in your food. Seek out for scientific resources, articles, and other information and research. Ask questions. Make sure to have a clear understanding of everything before. GMOs are not a right or wrong choice. It's about your family and your family needs and what's attainable for your family. GMOs are not a right or wrong choice. It's about your family and your